Where are we?
Alejandro's safe house. Gave him the location just in case.
Why didn't he tell me?
It was need to know.
What if I needed to know? Pressure plate.
Alejandro rigged it.
Smart bastard.
There. Don't move!
¿Quién está ahí?
Rodolfo!
Soap. Ghost. You're alive.
Affirmative.
Good to see you, amigos.
Igual, amigo.
Nice throw. Where were you guys?
On the run.
I was on the run. Ghost waited for me.
Of course, no?
No.
Yes. We're a team. All of us. This happened on my watch and I'll need help to fix it. No one fights alone.
Why did Graves turn?
We don't know.
Las Almas can corrupt anyone.
Not us.
For now, General Shepard, Laswell, and anyone else outside this room is considered a hostile. With one exception.
Alejandro?
We need him back.
Ben. Graves is holding him here.
His own personal black site prison.
My team is locked in there too.
How do we get him back?
By breaking in.
And that's why I love the Ghost.
It's gonna take more than this.
It's well stocked.
All right.
My man. We're gonna need new wheels. Preferably up-armored.
Alejandro thought of everything.
Yeah, he did. Let's go get him.
The old prison is in a remote area outside Las Almas. It was maximum security until the narcos took over, and it was permanently closed. There is no airstrip, but expect helos for security and resupply.
We'll drive to an offset and ruck up to our infill. Here. If the security towers are manned, we'll need to take them out first and rope up the wall for entry.
What about cameras?
There's CCTVs in the security room.
We'll use them to locate Alejandro and the rest of your men.
Let's divide and conquer. While Rudy finds out, I'll use the cams to help Ghost plant charges in key areas.
Diversions and sabotage. Nice, Johnny.
I learned from the best, LT. Once we pinpoint Alejandro and Los Vaqueros, we regroup and pry him loose.
We'll carry extra guns in to arm my men and fight our way out the way we came in.
Any questions?
What are we waiting for?
Graves will have this place locked down.
Expect patrols on the outside.
No doubt.
We're geared up.
Guns, ammo, and charges in the pikes.
I've got the plummet gun. Ascenders.
Check.
Check. Let's hope Alejandro's alive.
Count on it.
On me.
Go left.
Trail.
Let's follow it. Rudy, how long you known Alejandro?
20 years. Signed up together. Toughest dude in the regiment.
I wouldn't want to mess with him.
We used to say, el único que puede matar a Alejandro es Alejandro.
What's it mean?
The only thing that can kill Alejandro is Alejandro.
Glad he's on our side.
A huevo.
Hold up. Eyes on the prison. Patrols on the outside.
We'll have to take them out to get in.
2 snipers first tower. Soap, you take one, I'll get the other.
Shadows down.
Good shots, hermanos.
I'll flank around and we'll clear the field. Rudy, give us a hand. Hold fire, Soap. Got a heli incoming. Looks like a supply drop.
Copy. Eyes on 6 shadows.
Affirm. 3 at the vehicle, 2 behind it. 1 solo on your right side.
Take the 2 at the vehicle first, and the others won't see.
Good call. Soap, on my mark, drop the 1 in the cab.
Set.
Check. 3, 2, 1. Solid, 2 down, on the move. Take the 2 right at the vehicle. I'll hit the 1 on the other side.
Clear.
clear. Push up to the base of the tower, that's our entry point. Stay quiet. Let's get up there.
Good hook.
Take point, Lieutenant. Soap. Oh, you, Soap. Check fire up top. Keep us quiet.
Aye. Up.
Copy. Behind you.
Let's get to the security room. Stay close.
Look for a hatch with a ladder.
Got it. On me, son. Down and in. Aye, coming down.
Above you.
All in. Let's move.
Security building is straight ahead. CCTV is inside.
Move fast and stay low.
2 inside. Let's take them out before they call their amigos.
You want to use a close-range weapon for interior.
We're clear. We'll use a closed circuit to locate my men.
And find Alejandro.
We'll need diversions when we move. I'll plant charges on the outside, so your eyes
Aye.
will go. Get on those cameras.
On it.
Same.
I'm out. Watch for me.
Raj, good luck, LT.
Soap, let me know when I'm clear to move in past the gate.
Clear, go.
Access the camera ahead and check for threats.
One shadow, easy kill. Shoot him. Move to the truck. Multiple shadows, they're armored. Stay low.
Good copy.
Good to go. Shadow on the balcony. Go for the gun, LT. A little help's not so bad, eh, LT?
Stay focused, Johnny.
Just saying.
Keep it tactical, Sergeant.
Go up. I see you on the roof. One down below.
Wearing body armor, I'll have to get in close.
Trash bin on your right. Time to take out the trash.
Fucking hell.
One on patrol inside the razor wire.
Johnny, give me the go-ahead.
Get to the building. Move, Ghost. One in the corner has pulled the trigger. Gun him.
Shut up, so. Fucking hell.
One on patrol inside the razor wire.
Johnny, give me the go-ahead.
Knife him. Good kill. One in the corner, his gun's down. Pull the trigger on him. He's down. Go to the crate. Go to the truck.
Good place to plant a charge. How's it look?
Go for it, LT.
Copy. Bomb planted. On the move.
Guarding the catwalk. Stand by. I'll tell you when. 3 shadows ahead. 1 at the truck, 2 round the bend. You'll need a diversion. Go to the crate. Time for distraction, LT. Your bread and butter, son.
Lights out.
He's heading toward the electrical.
Unless he runs into me on the way.
Now. I'm pretty good at this, eh, LT?
I've seen better.
Who?
Me.
One left. Gun him. Clear to move. Go up. Second floor's got windows open. Movement inside. Clear. Go. Wait there.
Confirm when clear.
Move up. Go down. Go down. Go now. Get out of there, LT. Seen a pickup, you dump him. Classic Ghost.
Planting charge. 2 down. Moving.
Eyes on 1 ahead. Head left. Heads up, 1 shadow. Draw blood and drop him, sir. Another dead shadow. Head right. Go, now. You're good. APC looks ripe for a bomb, LT. Go now, Ghost. You're good to plant that charge.
Roger that.
Watch your back. Recommend your blade. Good night. Good to plant that charge.
Roger that.
Recommend your blade. Good night. Move right. Go to the wall. Go up. No threats. Move. Heads up. 2 shadows. Good to plant that charge.
Roger that.
Recommend your blade. Good night. Move left. One on the roof, Ghost.
Find me a way up.
Knife him.
Gonna do this one my way. Watch.
Good to plant that charge.
Roger that.
Recommend your blade. Good night. Move right. You'll need a diversion.
Roger.
No threats. Move. Go to the wall. Appears clear. Clear to move. Go up. Shadow ahead. Show him something sharp. Laying down on the job, eh?
Clear to push in, Johnny.
Another APC with your name on it. One to your right.
Get me near him.
Use your blade. Appears clear. Clear. Go. Knife him.
Gonna do this one my way. Watch.
Move right. Push up.
Good to push up, Soap.
Go to the crate. Move left. All clear. Go, LT. to the truck. Go now, Ghost. No threats. Move. Move, Ghost. One on your left. Take a stab at him.
Get over there, LT.
Push up. Go to the crate. Move to the truck. Move left. Take a stab at him. Gone. Move to the truck. All clear. Shadow ahead. Let's see some knife work, LT. Go, LT. Go now, Ghost. 4 less to give us chase.
We're all set here, Johnny. Have we located Alejandro?
Perfect timing. I found him.
Where?
Stand by.
Bloody fucking hell. That's him.
He's in solitary. 2 on the door.
I see him. Ghost. We got him. He's alone. 2 shadows on guard.
Not for long. RV outside the cell block. We'll pry him loose.
Roger that. On the move. Good work.
Well, amigo, Alejandro would have come for us.
Eso que ni qué.
Vamos por unos vaqueros, cabrón.
Ghost, what's your status?
Coming your way.
Copy. We're on the move.
Heads up on the hero.
Looks like we're out this line of sight.
So, trees ahead. Shadows blocking the way.
Let's send him to hell and get inside.
All clear.
It's locked.
We'll need to reach it.
No, Rudy. Knock.
On me. Enemies on the second deck.
All coming down the stairs. So, we'll keep him busy up top. Press forward. Coming up behind you, Sergeant.
Almost running low. Alejandro's up here. Let's go. Alejandro's down the hall, right side.
Expect contact.
Light him up!
Pinche sombra! There's Alejandro's cell. Open it up. I'll cover you.
Johnny, when I pop this lock, you push in. This is what we came for.
Alejandro!
Coronel, relájate, cabrón. Somos nosotros.
Sup! Rudy! Ghost! Didn't think we'd leave you, did ya?
What took you so long,
Place is crawling with shadows. There'll be hell ahead.
Let's fight fire with fire.
There's more vaqueros in the cells upstairs.
Time to get him out.
Orale on you, Rodolfo.
You
seen Graves here?
No, but I plan to pay that cabron a special visit.
Oh, me too.
They have guards on all the floors. Be ready. So, throw whatever you got at them.
Hijos de puta.
Kill everything that moves!
I think we're clear.
Los vaqueros are locked in these cells.
Aquí estamos, vaqueros. Hora de ir a casa.
Estamos aquí, hermanos. Los sacaremos. Breach in the doors. Doors are powered. Controls are on the command post across the hall.
Doing it.
¡Órale! ¡Mis hermanos hasta la muerte! Sargento Parra tiene armas. Tomen una y esperen aquí.
Comandante, ¿estás vivo?
Rest of you with me.
¡Bendito sea!
Ninguna prisión
Right with
puede
you.
detener a los vaqueros.
This was the mess hall.
Let's make a mess.
¡Órale!
Shadows know we're here. Stay sharp.
¡Movement! Fire!
Check out.
Watch the cow!
Ninguna
This was the
prisión
mess
puede
hall.
detener a los vaqueros.
Let's make a mess.
¡Órale!
Shadows know we're here. Stay sharp.
Kai.
Watch the catwalk! Big room. Make sure we're clear.
Despejado, Coronel.
No threats. Regroup on the door. It's padlocked. I got it. El fantasma siempre preparado. On you, Colonel. Weapons hard, hermanos. Stairwell leads down and out. We'll link up with the others and expel the fuck out of here.
Exfil vehicles are set. Ghost planted charges to help us get out.
With Johnny down. I can't call Soap Johnny.
Don't. Only Ghost can pull that off.
Supplies there. Take what you need. There'll be serious resistance getting out.
We'll have to cross the yard to get everyone out.
Roof, right side. Sniper! Roof!
Sniper down.
Good shot, hermano!
Johnny. That truck's got one of our charges. Yes, so that truck's rigged. Do some bomb damage.
Copy that.
Come. Freaking boom, baby.
Good effect. Let's move up.
Go on yourself, you scum.
Clear? Where now? Wolford, where to?
Cut through the building, left side.
These shadows are crazy.
Mercenaries, Johnny. Bloody wannabes. Appears quiet. Take anything we can use to stay
I'm
in
good.
the fight, Johnny.
Stop and cover my fire. The rest of you wait for my signal.
Copy.
Second floor!
Move now.
We'll have to clear the courtyard to get across.
We got grenades!
We need to finish the house for a second change.
All right!
Push through. There's a field we can use to flank up.
We need to get up and over that wall. You hear that?
Loud and clear, Price. Coming to you. Who is he?
A friend. I like him already. Vaqueros, vayan al muro, entre las torres, yeah!
Be advised. Ropes deployed. Find him and climb. Roger that.
We're clear for now, but shadows are on the way. Count on it. Sergeant McTavish.
Good to see you, Captain.
Ghost. Garrick, Bryce.
How'd you know?
Laswell.
Soon as Shepard went dark, she called us. Laswell's still solid as a rock.
Colonel Vargas. Meet Captain Price and Sergeant Garrick.
Thanks for the assist. My men need cover fire. Gaz, Soap, Ghost, Overwatch, now.
confirm if there's weapons in that tower. Use them.
Steaming Jesus, look at this.
From the front.
Got a grenade launcher!
Fire! Enemies coming on the road! Once you're up, we're pulling out!
Got snipers on the roof! Take them out! Roddy, detonate that APC! Good effect! ¡Vamos! ¡Avance rápido mientras está despejado!
We're good to go, Coronel.
Let's get the fuck out of here, hermanos! Down the wall! We are leaving!
Sergeant, get on the rope. We're going.
Those two are ours. Check!
Rodolfo, you take the truck we came with.
Roger that. Vaquero, sígueme! Rudy, nos vamos a el rancho!
Sale, Coronel. Suerte.
Captain, follow me! Copy. Gas, drive.
On it. Go, show. This is us.
Load in. Get it, Gaz. Shepard burned us.
He sent Graves to the shadows to kill us around the Los Vaqueros.
We know why.
Laszlo did a bit of digging.
What did she find? Truth.